market capitalization and liquidity and volatility. Market capitalization or yung tinatawag nating market cap is the market value of a company at a given point in time, which is measured by its current market price and total outstanding shares. So, in order for us to determine the market cap, we just only need to multiply the current market price of a company's stock with the total number of outstanding shares. Yung total number of outstanding shares, pwede natin makuha sa mismong site ng PSE Edge. So, hanapin lang natin yung company or yung stock, then hanapin natin yung shares, yung outstanding shares na nakalagay doon. Next is liquidity. Pag sinabi nating liquidity, it refers to the degree to which a stock can be quickly traded in the market without affecting its market price. For example, bumili tayo ng stock at 10 pesos per share, tapos we sold it immediately on the same price nang walang kahirap-hirap. That means na yung stock is perfectly liquid kasi at ease tayo nakapagbenta. Otherwise, if you were unable to sell it all on that price, it means that the stock is illiquid. So, next is volatility. So, in finance, it is used to describe price fluctuation of a stock over time. For example, bumili ulit tayo ng stock at 1 pesos per share. Then, wala pang 10 seconds, the price changes drastically to 1.10 pesos, which is already 10%. So, sobrang bilis ng galaw ng stock. Thus, pwede natin sabihin na highly volatile or mataas yung volatility ng stock na yun. So, itong tatlo, si market capitalization, liquidity, and volatility, works hand in hand sa stock market. So, sa PSE, we categorize the market cap into 4 groups. So, we have the fourth liners or the low cap, the third liners or the small cap, the second liners, at yung first liners. So, these are usually consist of nationally recognized, well-established, and financially sound companies that usually been traded with high volume. So, ganito mag-compute ng market capitalization. Outstanding shares ni Jollibee, so sample lang, ito. Then, yung last traded price is at around 102.20 pesos. So, multiply mo lang yung dalawa. So, makukuha may market capitalization. So, yung market cap niya is 112 billion. So, medyo bigat. So, this will be included sa mga tips mo. First liners. Ito naman yung sample na fourth liner. So, surpass or CX. So, ang outstanding shares niya is 1 million. So, multiply mo lang siya ng 1 billion. So, multiply mo lang siya na 4.490. Yan yung last traded price niya. So, makakakuha ka lang na 917 million. Tama. So, ano yan, magkaan. Pag mababang cap, galing pataasin. Liquid.